Welcome back to beautiful Haulover Inlet and another episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions down here at the inlet. And if anybody wants to look this stylish going through Haulover for a cool 1.8 million, you can as well. But let's go ahead and get our competition started. Our first contestant to do battle with Haulover today is going to show us what it's like when you come rolling through Haulover, but Haulover's got that intimidation factor going for you. Here we can see this cruise rolling through entirely too slow. This boat right here probably could still handle the conditions we're seeing today, but they need to get this thing up on plane and let it roll. But these guys, for whatever reason, Haulover's intimidating, and they are just trying to take it easy and as cautious as they can, and by doing that, they are about to get the free Haulover deck rents. Maybe these guys are smarter than I thought. I just spent the last weekend cleaning my boats up, getting them ready for the season. These guys are letting Haulover do the work for them. But as these guys take the free boat wash from Haulover Inlet's going to take the win in this round, giving Haulover an early 1-0 lead. Haulover does have a little bit of an intimidation factor going, but it doesn't intimidate everybody. Kind of like this CV450Z we're going to see rolling through the inlet here. These guys don't care if the inlet's firing. They've got the tool for the job, that it doesn't matter what's going on. They're going to blast their way out of the inlet. And this will be an easy win for the boats here in the second round. But not everybody can get away this scot-free. Kind of like our third round contestant is going to show you as they come racing out of Haulover Inlet. Here we're going to see this Sea Ray working its way out of Haulover, but we got a little action on the side as the Coast Guard comes barreling through with blue lights on, passes this boat. Of course they slow down to get out of the Coast Guard's way, but they come off a plane, which is a huge mistake in Haulover, and now they're going to pay the price, and they're going to get the free Haulover deck rents as well. These guys take a ton of water into the boat. They're going to try and kick it back up a notch here at the end, but Haulover's already done the damage. The Coast Guard passed them, Haulover's giving them a tail beating, and Haulover's going to take the win in this round. And here in the fourth round, we're going to get a special guest appearance from a superhero himself. No, not one of our legends, but the actual superhero, Iron Man. Here we're going to see this Midnight Express come rolling through Haulover Inlet. I do have one little issue with this one though. This boat looks eerily familiar. It almost looks exactly the same as the Florida State version of this Midnight Express that I believe was called Seminole. I'm wondering if somebody sold that boat and they've renamed it Iron Man. Maybe they were not a Florida State fan. But either way, the Iron Man does a pretty solid job coming through Haulover and will easily take a win for the boats, and that will take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. As usual, who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And here we're going to see this little Sundeck Sport rolling out of Haulover with people in the bow at a pretty high rate of speed. This is actually kind of a dangerous situation. I definitely would not want to be one of these people sitting in the bow of this boat, but this captain's got them rolling out, and they're going to take a couple pretty hard smacks, catch a little air, have a little fun. I'm torn on this one. It could go either way. I'm going to let you guys decide this week. Who takes the win this week in this fifth and final round? Is it the boats or Haulover Inlet? Go ahead and line it up in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll highlight a few of you guys who vote in the next video and also give you the results. I'll go ahead and cast my vote first. I really am torn on this one, but I'm going to give it to Haulover for me, just through this section right here. These guys really smacked down pretty hard and took a little bit of a beating right through this area, and that was enough for me to give Haulover my vote in this one, but once again, we'll let you guys decide. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, where we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And we also have the Miami Boat Ramps channel, which focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps around South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button.